Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find your QR code on the Zara Home application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And then tap on this view more button at the top. And here you can find your Zarahome QR code that you will be able to scan. So by using this QR code, you will opt to receive your receipt in the digital format rather than a paper receipt, as it is written next to the QR code. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.